Just landed in Pittsburgh, and I was gonna do my first vlog in the airport because I remember there's a Lids here. I grabbed something here last time for hella cheap, but they're not open yet. They're not open yet. Come here later tonight. Did pick one of these up for myself. I'm trying to double up, and I tried on my personal phone. This is my work phone here. I tried on my personal phone to help one of my boys get one as well. We'll see. We'll see. Made it out to Pittsburgh. This is the Tanger outlets. Is it Tanger? Tanger outlets. Whatever. Out in, what city are we in? I don't know. But I think it's the Pittsburgh outlets. All right, let's go. Oh, okay, this is the smaller outlet. I think the Grove. I think that's the bigger one. And an additional 40% off sale right here. 40% off the back wall. It was 30% in LA right before I left. Worker just told me I can't record in here. They don't really have much though. Metcons go for 85. Jordan 1 Golf right here going for 150. Got some Dunks, 115. All right, they didn't have much anyways. All right, we're out, man. We're out. Dang, it's a bummer. They do have a Steelers Pro Shop here. This is one of the official Steelers Pro Shops. I think one of 3 throughout Pittsburgh. And of course, they got plenty of apparel, including hats, tons and tons of jerseys, terrible towels. Gotta have terrible towels. All kinds of t-shirts, and tons of accessories such as pillows, balls, even basketballs. Pretty cool. And I've been here before. One of the cool things they have a little clearance section in the back. We'll start with that. Some older terrible towels, I guess. $10 for these bad boys right here. Oh, and it says 33 to 22. That's probably why. They have a Dia de los Muertos thing right here. What is this, a skull? Yeah. Yeah, these are normally 40. They're down to 30 bucks. Got some beanies. This is a pretty dope beanie, actually. Nice new era beanie. These are 35 down to 20 bucks, almost 50% off. Got this with some ear coverings. Pretty cool. 30 down to 25. These koozies on sale. $5 down from 7. Got flashlights, even with Pittsburgh Steelers batteries. That's kind of cool. 25 down to 19. And they even have a few hats on sale. 38 down to 25. Okay. Got a beanie in the shape of one of the OG helmets, one of the OG leather helmets. That's kind of cool. 20 down to 15. Even got some jerseys on sale. If you're on a budget, there are players that aren't here anymore, but pretty solid price. 160 down to 75. The Claypool, 65 for those. And these are Nike dry fit jerseys. So not too bad. Even got t-shirts on sale, 35 down to 26 bucks. And this is an official Steelers store, so you're gonna get the authentic stuff. 35 down to $26 for this one. Looks like this is all stuff that was sold at the stadium. That's pretty cool. Got dates on some of these. That's probably why they're on clearance. This is a new era shirt. $26, normally $35. Division rivalry shirt right here, down to $10. $10. And they got polos and stuff like that. 40 bucks for that Nike polo. Little shirt right here. Oh, this is another Versus shirt. This one's down to 21. Trubisky jersey down to 60 bucks. They do have an authentic memorabilia section. And with this type of stuff, you have to be very careful of where you buy it. So this is definitely a great location for stuff like this because there are tons of fakes out there. There's like, I think there was like a stat that said like at least 50% or more of the memorabilia, signed memorabilia is like fake and stuff like that. Got a Palomalo signed football right there going for 600. Who's this one? Lynn Swan, 625. Signatures on pictures right there. 375 for Terry Bradshaw. Fitzpatrick 150. Watts 425. Signed mini helmets right here. This is from Porter. These are going for 150. Of course, they got a bunch of different players, and the price is gonna change depending on who signature it is. The Terry Bradshaw right here, probably one of the more expensive ones, 250. Then they also got helmets up top as well. Pretty dope. Pickens going for 550 right there. Okay, Lynn Swan going for 800. Then they got footballs as well. They even have Speed Authentic helmets. That's pretty dope. That's a Salute to Service one. This is a classic one right here. What's the price on an official helmet? I don't see a price tag on it. I'm sure it's on the back. $390. $390 for an authentic helmet. That's actually pretty dope. Pretty dope. And they also have authentic random accessories right here. Got cutting boards and knives. $66. If you need a pizza cutter, Steelers pizza cutter, they got you. Yeah, these are going for $22. This type of stuff is so awesome for birthdays and gifts and stuff like that. Look at this, ice trays. That's pretty dope. Wait, what was that? $22. Oven mitt right here. You want a guy to help do some cooking for you. Grab him one of these. $15. Prices are pretty reasonable on some of this stuff. Got pet toys right here. Go for $20. Got a beer bottle pet toy right here. Go for $13. Got a bone. What's the bone going for? What's the bone going for? $12 right there. Lunchbox, so perfect for Steelers fans because it's a working team, right? Working man's team. What they go for? What they go for? $48. Pretty dope spot. They got stuff for tailgating. Pretty dope spot. They also got stuff for tailgating. Some of the stuff I showed you wasn't that tailgating stuff. Pretty dope selection of stuff. Got stuff on sale right here. Authentic memorabilia, which is dope, and then other stuff on sale as well. So pretty dope. I am a fan of these. I think I've showed a bunch of you guys the other team stuff. $36 for these. They have a huge one too. Holy cow. They do have an Under Armour. I've kind of been looking for Under Armour stuff, and it looks like they did start their Black Friday sale. In LA, it was 70% off the clearance section. It's only 50% off here. But look at this budget curry right here, $75. So is that $37.50? These are the 3Z6s. They got one in black right here as well. These are size 12. Project Rock, size 11.5, $145. These cleats look pretty cool right here. The Bryce Harper 8 lows go for $100. Another budget curry right here going for $80. These are 9.5. Curry 10s right here. This is not an awful colorway, $155. They actually have a bunch of 10.5s here, which is a surprise. Nothing that I really need. In the women's right here, they do have a Phantom 2, $135. Only 50% off here, but shelves a little bit more bare than in LA. In the aisles, these are down to $40. Saw these hella cheap in LA as well. $135 for these. These are 50 off though. The Mega 2s right here, they're just, the midsole's like hella fat, but it's just not very cushiony. Couple more of the budget curries, only 30 off of these though. Project Rock 5s going for 50% off. They do have 3 different colorways. And they do have some of the boots right here. A few military style boots, all 50% off, not bad. You do have slides, you get an extra 50% off slides. Just not the 70 off I was hoping for off the back wall, dang nabbit. Out here they got some thicker jackets because a hell of a lot colder. 50% off. These are going for $100, down from 200. Got all kinds of jackets over here. I think these are the same ones, just different colors. No, the outside material is different. Got tons and tons of apparel on sale. All right, I gotta hit up one more store. Adidas has been very generous with their deals lately. See if we can find something. This is their whole clearance section for men and women's. What the hell? Really? What the hell? Oh wait, never mind. They do have one here for men's. This is really small though. What the hell? Talked to one of the workers about what's the deal with the bag. I think everything's priced as marked. I don't think he really knew either. But lately they've had signs and I don't see any signs as well. I feel like the prices are just way lower in LA right now. What's going on? NMD $70 for these bad boys right here. Not like we've seen like huge discounts here. 100 for these forums. Terex Free Hiker 2s 120. All white NMDs 130. Really? There's just some nice campus right here. These like smoke. Charcoal 110. It says excluded, so does that mean 50 off? I think it might be 50 off. I don't even know, but the people here don't even know. And the reason I said there might be, because it says entire store up to. That up to leaves all kinds of wiggle room though. Walking through the women's section, look at this. Look at this, $25. $25 for Terex shoes right here. These are hiking shoes. Holy cow. 25 bucks. That's definitely the cheapest Terex we've ever seen. This one even has the Continental rubber as well as the Gore-Tex. Wow, that's surprising. And usually when it's red, 50 off, so $30 for these NMDs. These right here are going for $37.50. All these are going for $70 because some of these are not included in the promotion. Rivalry Lows right here. This has some decent material. It does have that crack leather on it. $30. That's hella cheap for those. And then even in the women, they still do have $60 Ultra Boost right here. Supernova's down to 40. All whites down to 75. Ultra Boost lights go for 60 right here. I'm not a fan of the Ultra Boost lights though. I feel like the boost just isn't boosty as much as these at least. Kind of like the OG ones. All black right here, 100 bucks. Only one size 6 though. In the men's right here, got some Ultra Boost go for 95. Ultra Boost lights right here go for 75. But that's it. All kinds of generic stuff right here. I guess they do have the, ooh, this is the 5X, right? Ultra Boost 5X. That's the cheapest we've seen those. Go for 95. This supposedly has way more boost. But tons and tons of generic. But that's what we saw in LA too. That's what we saw in LA. Like, oh, Stan Smith, no. The Advantage, nope. Yeah, all kinds of generics, man. I got a few of the OG stuff right here. The Forum Low Classics going for $40. Some Campus going for $40. Estimates going for $60. And then stuff like this that's not included in the promotion. And then stuff like this that's kind of discounted, but not as much as some of the other stuff. The MOA's going for Foot Locker outlet-like prices. Look, they actually do have basketball sneakers right here. Do got Dawn Issue 5s right here. And this might be the cheapest we've ever seen them. Holy cow. $30 for Dawn Issue 5s. 30 freaking dollars. Are you serious? $30 for Dawn Issue 3s. That's pretty crazy. They have decent sizes too. Up to size 10. And they got these up to size 12. And they got AEs. They're doing hot right now. But Trae Young just left. Adidas. So curious to see how Adidas basketball does. Pretty interesting. Oh wait, I almost missed out on these Sambas. $40 for Sambas? Kind of the cheapest we've ever seen those too. Alright, that is the first video out in Pittsburgh. I'm hoping to shoot 2 more. But I also have to be at the airport before the end of the day. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. But got plenty coming. Make sure you help a boy, press that like button if you're new, subscribe. And check out some of this other footage. The steps that I had to take to come here. Alright, we out. By the way, it is 40 degrees outside, so it is cold as hell. And yeah, 40% off at the Nike outlets, but they didn't have much. They really didn't have much. It's kind of like what we saw in LA, where like prices were low, but nothing really dope. Or they'd put stuff to regular price and they'd do 40% off, so it really wasn't even that good of a deal. So I don't know. They're holding out till Black Friday? I don't know. But we'll see what happens, you guys. Did come out here for work. Had a little meeting that I wrapped up with. Oh, it's definitely different out here. in the suburbs of Pittsburgh. Wow. Love this weather. It's cold as hell. Driving around Pittsburgh, pretty freaking cool. All kinds of rivers, all kinds of bridges, tunnels. Is that one? Oh, I don't think that one. Oh, that one is still working for the railroads. Getting ready to get to Pittsburgh. Yeah, it's supposed to be cold as hell there. In the 30s and 40s. Yeah, we don't really see that weather here in Los Angeles too much. So, yeah, don't really have that much winter gear. This is kind of my winter gear. I'm going to wear a tech fleece. And then I think I'm going to wear my poofy jacket. Jordan poofy jacket. Tech fleece I grabbed for what, 25 bucks, something like that. Got that for 70% off or 75% off. And then I grabbed this jacket, poofy jacket for 50 bucks. Normally like 180 or something. And we're all about the deals. I did grab these. I don't think these are going to do anything in 30-degree weather. But I grabbed them for $5. I think it was like another $30 off or 30% off. So I think I grabbed these for like $3. I guess it's better than nothing. I used to have snowboarding gloves and stuff like that, but they sat around for 15 years, so they're kind of busted up. So I had to throw them away. I guess this is better than nothing. $3, $3 protection, I guess. But yeah, man, I'm kind of glad I get stuff that I don't need sometimes, right? Only gonna be out in Pittsburgh for one day, literally one day. I think I'm gonna be on the ground for like 7-8 hours. I do have to get a little work done, so might only be able to make like 2-3 videos. Haven't even had a chance to put away all my stuff that I've gotten the last few months. I feel like I got those like forever ago, but yeah, there's definitely a reason why I'm not getting as much stuff, because I don't even have room to put all my stuff, man.